Okay, in this video you will see how to update the status and some Git problems, how to see the Git videos. Okay, now you would have completed an assignment in HTML. You would have done something in Python. Okay, you have completed loops in Python. Now to update the status, go to this this assignment. Okay, go to view instructions. Okay, now you need to click this and you need to make a copy of this status update. Okay, when you click this is loading up. Okay, now this status update has many sheets. Okay, you need to take keep track of your status of each thing. First is the aptitude. Okay, and in aptitude we have already given the links, which is here. If you go to fresh guide, go to classwork. So in math and English, this is the aptitude task, right? I think probably weekly, twice you can do this. The list of aptitude videos, basic mathematics I have given, and then the problems you can solve in indiablix.com. Okay, so once you solve some problems, right? Once you complete that, you have to go and update the status in this aptitude. Percentage, how many problems you have solved, height and distance for each topics, right? The important topics you have to go and update here. Okay, you can just go to the India Blix and you will see the different topics. Here choose the important 8 or 10 topics. Okay, and then if you click into that particular folder, basically first you will have the basic formulas, right? What is the formulas for that? If you don't understand any formula, ask ChatGPT or watch any particular YouTube video, and then some general questions. Then you can see the question, click the answer, okay, and submit it. Once you finish some questions, right? While seeing the questions, you can have the notebook by your side, and then you can solve this. Okay, so once you have completed some certain questions, update the topic and number of problems you have solved. Okay, this you can do once or twice a week. Okay, now you have basically this sheet is for aptitude. Then you have a sheet for web development. In web development, you have a task. You have two exercises for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You have to do application, and then there's a lot of tasks are there. So once you complete, right, mark the status as completed, and any comments you have, you can also mark the comments. Okay, you can do that. Okay, so once you complete the task, please make sure you go and update your status update. Okay, and regarding problem solving also. Okay, you can in the fangit, right? You will see the list of problems. I will also show you the list of Git videos. Once you see the Git videos, you'll know how to solve the Fang problems. So put all the problems here and write your status, whether when you try to attempt any problem and you have failed or passed, put it here. You have when you try to attempt a problem, you have passed if you can solve the problem within 10 minutes and without any reference. If you solve the problem, that means you have passed. Otherwise, it's failed. Okay, you can put a date. And attempt 2, attempt 3 also is not required. I think you can take this off also. But attempt 1 failed and the date. Okay. And then you can just keep on. After 5 or 6 problems, you can, whatever the problems you have failed, you can go and attempt the problems again. That is the importance of the status sheet. Right? Whatever problems you have failed, right? Which means you are not able to solve the problem in 10 minutes. Go and try the problem again. Okay. This is a list of problems, basic problems, which is there in Fangit, and there's a list of problems which you do in lead code, right? You can have your own list. Okay, and then put the attempt and the date. Okay, ensure that you are passing in all the problems. This is why you have to take care. And then this is a DevOps activity you need to do. Okay, you need to understand what is DevOps. You need to understand what is Docker and how to create an image. All these things, right? You have to enable CI/CD, CI via the GitHub Action, CD via Jenkins. You have to use Ansible. This all you have to do it for the project you will be doing. Okay. So once you complete this task, right, go and update the status. So, so how to update the status? Go to file. Okay. Click here, make a copy. Here you can give status update and your name. So you can give your name, hyphen status update, and then you make a copy. So once you make a copy, it will create a copy in your drive. So this Bala status update is created a copy in a drive, right? Now what you do is go to your status update assignment, view instructions, and attach that here from the Google Drive. So my status is, it will be Bala hyphen status update, right? So this one. Click this and add it. Now that is added to my assignment. Okay. Now if you want to modify anything, right? Just click this. This 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 update you can edit it. Okay, it is loading. Once it is loaded, you can edit it. Height and distance. Okay. Let's suppose you have time work. Now this you can edit it. Okay, once you edit it, it will be automatically saved. Okay, and then once you have something, you can also hand in to me so that we can have a look at it. So ensure that this is how you have to create a status update. Ensure that is updated whenever you finish the assignment, right? That time you go update, and whenever you finish a problem, immediately you have to update the problem that you have paused or not. Immediately after every problem, you have to update. Okay, now you know how to update the status. Now you have to know what is Git, what is GitHub, how to raise a pull request, and how to solve problems in FangGit, right? For that, you need to see this list of videos. This playlist I will give in the description of this video. You can go to the description and you can get this link. Go to this link and see all the videos and take notes. Okay, this is how you know how to contribute changes to open source. Right, you learn that, and then how to clone the Fangit repository and how to solve problems in Fangit. Thus, you learn from this three set of videos. Okay, so ensure that you watch all these things and take notes.